show that with F11 Pro and its features, the consumers will have a great experience,
providing the great smartphone photography experiences to the young people around the world.
Design, technology, and photography.
We have equipped the F11 Pro with a 48 megapixel plus a 5 megapixel dual rear camera. We have definitely solved the issue of taking clear pictures in the low light conditions. We have developed our own performance acceleration engine, which we call the HyperBoost. The F11, we bring you the VOOC 3.0.
OPPO